welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and today is the day we're going to give away the Easy Function Grill Scraper. Thank you all so much for all the participation in my last video about it. All the hashtag Easy Function and comments and likes I got on that, I really do appreciate it. And real quick, I want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers, guys. Hit a huge milestone, finally got over my 4,000 watch hours, got monetized on here, so we're just going to try to figure this out as it comes. Pretty excited about it. You know, you're always shooting for a milestone, and that was one of the ones I've been looking for since I started. So pretty cool. But let's go ahead and bring you over here. We're going to do this live giveaway and get started. Alright, so we went over here to the commentpicker.com. Pretty cool site for all my giveaways. It's the one I use. Alright, so it says YouTube contest options. Here's my URL right here. Filter comments based on a specific text. I said do the hashtag Easy Function. And then I'm going to say get YouTube comments. Alright, let's go ahead and get her started. It says start now. Pick winner. Let's go for it. Brian Hollingsworth. Cool. Brian Hollingsworth. Alright, so congratulations to Brian Hollingsworth. He got on here to hashtag Easy Function, said enjoy your videos, keep them coming. Well, man, I really appreciate you and all your support and everybody that's brought me to this monetization point right here. It's another huge milestone. I'm still excited about it. And so, man, get a hold of me on either my Instagram, Facebook, or something. We'll figure out a way. Let me know where to send this, and it's going to be coming your way, buddy. So Brian Hollingsworth, thank you, and thank you to everybody that made your comments on here and watching my videos. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and guys, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe. God bless.